Today I'm going to show you how to turn on the notifications for a specific account on your X platform. Now that when they tweet something or are active on Twitter, you will get a notification on your mobile device. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your X application. Now from out here, we want to go to a account which you want to turn your notifications on. Now let's say I want to do this for Jordan Peterson. Now here, as you can see, I have my profile of Jordan Peterson. Now, right besides the following button, you see a little icon, the bell. Now here, I first need to turn on my device notifications. So hop onto the settings and privacy tab. And here we can open our iOS settings. Now, from it here, what you want to do, you want to go into the Twitter or X settings. And as you can see, we have a bunch of options. Now we choose the notifications one, and here we allow notifications. And as you can see here, we allow all the notifications. Now we can scroll up till we open up the X again. And as you can see here, we can manage where we want to be notified of. Now here you can choose the repost, the likes, the mentions, or the post itself, as you can see. If you want to turn something on, simply pull the lever or turn it on and turn it off. Now here you see a whole bunch of stuff which you will be notified of, and press done. Now to actually start getting notified of the person, simply choose the bell, and here you can choose all posts and replies, and only posts with a live video. Now if a certain person gets live, now simply press all posts, and as you can see, the bell got a check mark, which means that we will be notified if he posts something. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.